What to do after a car accident. And I'm Ben with Safe Drive Solutions, your dashcam specialists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are looking for other dash camera videos, please take a look in our description down below. We have plenty of our popular dash cam videos down there that will help educate and inform you. Anyways, on with the top 10 things we recommend to do after a car accident. Number 1, do not move your vehicle unless it is blocking traffic. Put on your hazard lights to warn other drivers. Number 2, assist anyone who is injured. Call an ambulance or police as soon as possible. Avoid moving an injured person as you may aggravate their injuries. Seek medical attention for your own injuries. Some injuries, such as whiplash, may not appear for hours or even days after the accident. Number 3, exchange names, addresses, and insurance particulars with all drivers involved. Get the names and addresses of as many witnesses as possible. Obtain the names and addresses of any passengers. Record the license plates of all vehicles involved. Number 4, log in to your dash cam and download your footage to your phone, or remove the SD card to view on your computer when you get home or to work. I do not recommend giving the SD card directly to the police. I would recommend sending them a copy of the footage. You cannot prove your innocence if they lose the SD card. Some dashcam footage also cannot be viewed easily by just plugging an SD card into a computer. You may need special desktop software to view it, which I would recommend talking to your dashcam provider or manufacturer. For our clients, we have a support page with all downloads for Mac and PC software downloads to make it easy for all of our clients. Number 5, do not admit or deny any fault for the accident. You should not discuss the accident with anyone except the police and your lawyer if needed. Number 6, make detailed notes about the accident. Draw a sketch showing the position of each vehicle at the time of the accident. Write down any statements made by other drivers or passengers to support the information you wrote down. Number 7, report the accident to your insurance company. It is important to communicate with your insurance company sooner rather than later. Number 8, take photographs of the damage to your vehicle. The more pictures you can take, the better. Number 9, upload videos and pictures to your insurance company to show them what happened. You'll be surprised how some information will easily prove your innocence. Simple things like driving through a green light and you being hit. It may not actually catch the other vehicle hitting you, but it will show that you were driving through the intersection when it was green and impact was detected. So a lot of that stuff will help you out in proving your innocence. Number 10, if you've been injured, call a lawyer for a free consultation. You may be entitled to compensation. I know for myself, I was involved in 2 car accidents that were not my fault. I was seeing a physio, chiropractor, massage therapist for a year or so after the accident. Some of my injuries are minor, but I still have small side effects 14 years later. At least once a year, I still go to the chiropractor for an adjustment. I hope you enjoyed what to do after a car accident. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave your comments down below. We're always happy to help. Don't forget, drive safe. Thanks a lot.